Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to review the Cuvccn rechargeable LED bike light set. I'm going to unbox it, install it on my bicycle, test it at night, and give you a quick review. So here we go. This is the contents inside. This is the tail light. This is the headlight. These are the mounting straps and a charging cable. It appears to be USB-C and it splits off from the USB port, so you can charge both at the same time. Here is the user manual. And these are the different functions. We'll start with the headlight. On the bottom we have the charging port with a rubber tab. The back, this is where you mount it to the strap. The top, there's two buttons. There's two main lights, which are the circles that you see in the middle. Then there's 19 auxiliary lights around it. It is 300 lumens plus 100 lumens. The battery life is 4 to 58 hours. The battery capacity is 1100 mAh. Charging time is 2.5 hours. There's 8 light modes and it weighs 45 grams. And it's also IPX6 waterproof. I actually have to adjust the brightness of my camera because this thing is just super bright. So on the left side we control the outer lights. That's the brightest. That's the second brightest. That's the lowest. And then it flashes. And then on the bright side, this is the middle lights. The second brightest, the lowest, and then it flashes. So you can actually turn both of these on. Or I suppose you can control them independently if you wanted the middle ones to flash only. Or any combination of those. Let's say you wanted the outside to flash, but the middle to remain solid, you could do that too. This is the tail light. It has the charging port, has the mount on the back, and then the two buttons as well. The specs are a little different. So the tail light has two main lights with 19 auxiliary lights. The lumens is 15 lumen plus 50 lumens. It lasts 4 to 25 hours. The battery capacity is less at 350 mAh. The charging time is 1.5 hours. It has 12 lighting modes. It actually weighs less. It's 32 grams. And it's also IP5 waterproof rated. Right now I'm going to go through the different modes. So the left button, this is the brightest, the second brightest, the lowest. Has a flashing function. It has a slower flashing function, a quicker flashing function, and then it turns off. On the right side, these are the two middle lights. This is less bright and then less bright. It flashes, slower flashing, and then quicker flashing, and then you can turn both of them on at the same time. You can do any combination of the two. So comparing these two, you can see that this one's definitely a lot brighter. In order to charge it, you just take the cable that it came with, plug it in here, do the same with the other one. I'll plug the other end in, and then it starts flashing green to know that it's charging. We'll take our strap, we'll feed it around the headset. That's where I want this to be. We'll take the other end and loop it over. So now that that's in place, looking on the back of the light, we have a plus. We need to rotate it 45 degrees to feed it in here, and then we'll turn it 45 degrees to lock in place, and then we can turn the lights on as we wish. I repeated the install on the rear. It's actually more red than it's showing up in the video. It looks a little orange. We're here in my garage and I'm going through the brightness levels on the headlight. This is the center lights, the brightest setting. the second, the lowest setting, and the flash. This is the 19 lights, the ambient lights. And then this is both of them on. I moved the headlight up here on the handlebar because I can adjust the angle. When it was on the headset, I wasn't able to. So right now it's pointing downwards, but I can also move it upwards if I wanted to. The sky color is pretty accurate. It's pretty dark. And this is the brightness of the headlight, and then the tail light right here. I can adjust the angle of the headlight. It's pretty bright in front. Overall, I really like these lights. I feel like they're very bright and there's different mode settings. I was able to adjust the front one by putting it on the handlebar, which worked a lot better for me. I do trust them riding at night. A link for the product can be found in the description section below. At the time of this recording, it was on Amazon for $19.99. Additionally, there's 5% off, and on top of that, I saw a 10% off coupon, making it even cheaper. So if you're in the market for bike lights, I would highly suggest that you check these out. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up. Please feel free to leave a comment, and if you want to see more videos like this, please feel free to subscribe. Thank you, and take care.